Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Terraform for provisioning data infrastructure, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating Terraform for provisioning data infrastructure, you need to first ensure that you have all necessary prerequisites installed on your machine. Begin by downloading Terraform from the official website. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Once downloaded, unzip the file to a directory of your choice. Next, you need to add Terraform to your system's path. This ensures that you can run Terraform commands from any command line interface. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Type Terraform version to verify that Terraform is installed correctly. The next step is to install a backend for storing your Terraform state. For this guide, we will use AWS S3 as our backend option. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service and create a new bucket. Ensure the bucket name is unique across all of AWS. Next, configure the bucket's permissions to secure your data. Return to your terminal and create a new directory for your Terraform project. Within this directory, create a new file named main.tf. This file will contain your infrastructure code. In main.tf, define the provider you will use. For AWS, you would start with provider AWS and specify your region. Next, define your resources. For example, you can create an S3 bucket to manage your data. Use Terraform's resource block to specify the details. After defining your resources, initialize your Terraform environment. Run the command terraform init in your terminal. This command prepares your workspace and downloads the necessary plugins. Following initialization, you will need to create an execution plan. Use the command terraform plan to do this. Review the plan to ensure that it matches your expectations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.